Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lazy Akins here as always, and I'm back with another.
Gold one. So now because the gold one is slightly longer than the white, so I folded both silk scarf in and then I tied them at the back, and once I had my knot I just placed it on my head and started tying from the back, and I crossed it in front as you can see over here. So once that was done, I crossed it and I crossed at the back, and so you can see I was taking all of my hair out so I don't tie it with the scarf. Guys, I advise you to have your hair in a donut and a bun away in a wig cap, because it's going to be distracting and it's going to be interrupting what you're trying to do. So I did that and I crossed it at the back and then brought it round to the front. I was going to put it over each other and I thought, oh, why not twist it and change the colors? So this is me trying to fold it again, and then I later thought, let's make it change and let's have a twist. So I twisted it at the back. So I had the gold on the other side and I had the white on the other side. So that kind of gave it a different look, and I actually liked it that I did that. So I did that and I just brought it around again to the top, and then I did that for the other side, and that was it, guys. Keep watching. The rest of the video is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy it. Watch closely. So I'm going to give you guys a 360. Start from the edge, a really, really messy edge, which is this part for me, and just fold it in like so. So once you've got your fold in, it's a 50-50, you get the middle, you start from the back. For this style, I'm going to try and put my hair in a donut because I don't want anything interrupting me, getting in my way. Okay, so that's out of the way. Get it, start from the back and me in the front. And tie okay, once you've done that, just fold this side, fold this in. So use your finger and grab that, and then do the same. You tie again. Boom. So you've got that, and then depends on how you want your bow. I don't want it too big, so what I'm gonna do is pull this so it's not too big. Like I said, I don't want it big, so, and then do the same over here. And twist this and meet it with this one. So I twist this and I just tuck it into one of the sides. And then come back and adjust here. And bang, you got your silk bow. I'm gonna push it back a little bit. And that's that. You can have it like this. Let me have it like that. So if you want the bow to stand, just grab the end of each and then pin it down. That's if you want your bow to like be high instead of flat. And do the same here. The pin the edges, and then you have your gele standing. No, your gele standing. Sorry, you have the bow. You have the bow up in the way that you want. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. Sorry. So I'm gonna give you guys a 360. Just gonna bring my head out, not my head, but bring my hair out. Okay. and tie this. Start to fold it in like you do with a paper. Okay, twist the hand. And twist that in and tuck it into the hair over here.
So for the hard part of the front of it, I've just got a flyer that I was given on the road. So I've just folded this into two. Got my material, and I'm gonna choose the edgy, really edgy part, and then just put it in here, put it in, and then I just fold it. Like so. One part is going to be cover.
I adjusted the material with my hand so I can give it that shape. So I was shaping it on my head. And then once the shape was achieved, I turned round to tie it and secure it at the back. Once that was nice and secure, I came round to the front, but using my hand to adjust it again to give it that look. And I took one of the side of the material and I just folded them into each other and then just placed it right in front of the front of the hard gilly. to the front of the material. Just placed it over my forehead. So I crossed my forehead on one side, and then I pinned it, and then I did the other hand of the gilly, the other side of the gilly as well, folded it in and across my forehead, and that's how I achieved this look. And I think that's it, guys. Keep watching.
That's it, guys. That's the end of today's tutorial. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time Lizzie Atkins upload new content. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms: TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. And be sure to follow that. Let's be friends. Take care. Bye.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again.